Detective Hayes advises everybody should put their charm bracelets on now.
Hey, I wear it for protection.
That's a protection. Well, this stops bullets. Yours stops you from getting dates. By a guy named Nick Walker.
Knock, knock.
Suddenly, we're in a whole other ballgame.
Tough day.
I'm dead.
Extremely.
He's recruited into a police force called the R.I.P.D.
You have skills that we want. We'd like you to join the R.I.P.D.
I'm in. I don't even think it's real. I think it's all just a bad dream. Sure enough, it isn't that at all. It is, in fact, very real.
Any more questions?
Our job is catching bad souls that hide out among the living.
And I'm paired with a 200-year-old cowboy.
Meet your new partner.
You got to earn that. Come on. My character, Roy Cephas Pulsiver.
Roy Cephas?
Just call me Roy. Or Cephas.
They're certainly not a match made in heaven right off the bat.
Senior officer gets to knock. Rook. Rookie.
I've got 15 years on the force. Knock off the rookie boy.
One of the wild things about R.I.P.D. is that we have a wonderful undercover persona. There's something else. You don't look like you don't sound like you anymore.
So what do I look like? Really? An old Chinese guy? What about you? Well, I guess you win, Roy.
We're kind of the disguises.
Excuse me. Home phone number's on the back.
I'm not a piece of meat. I'm a woman. Our job is to go out and, I guess you could say arrest.
Excuse me, sir. Quick word.
Allow me. Oh, my bad. Or whatever word you want to use. Deados. Folks who are dead and don't want to be. You ready? Stanley Nowicki.
We're with the Department of Health.
We suspect that you might be dead. Don't tense up! You might notice we're pretty durable.
Still hurts.
But something unusual sort of puts everyone ill at ease around the R.I.P.D.
I've never seen that before.
You gonna sit there and mope, or do you want to help me stop an apocalypse?
Holy! Okay. You put it that way, hell, you kind of paint me into a corner. Fun, right?
Don't tense up.